Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to add math effects in your video on CapCut. So the video with math effects will go like this. And I'm gonna show you how you can make one. So first you need to open CapCut, and for this video you need to prepare two videos, so the main video like this, and also you need to find an overlay, the math overlay. You can find it online on the internet. And here, after you add the main video, you can just click on overlay and add the math video as overlay. So this one's right here. I actually got this video from the internet, and I'm sure you can find one easily. Just click on add, and then after that adjust the size of the math video. And here I'm going to split the overlay because it's too long, and I'm going to delete the rest of them. And then here click on the overlay and then go to splice and choose filter, and you're done. So here is the final result. Okay guys, so that's all for me. That is how you can add math effects in your video on CapCut. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to leave a comment. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.